Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, May 11th, which makes it a National Twilight Zone Day. Boy, that seems fitting around this time of year. Three big things coming at you. A new series for Counselors Connect has been up and posted, and it's National Prevention Week. And Ms. Sharin wants me to remind you that there's a lot of things that we need to make sure we're preventing, especially at this time of the year, and especially what is going on. But each year, around this observance, communities and organizations across the country come together to raise awareness about the importance of substance use prevention and positive mental health. Those are just some of the things we want to make sure we are preventing on a week like this and bring it to light. And I guess I'll jump to the third one down here. This also goes with helping out your friends and showing empathy. One thing you can do is encourage a friend to do an assignment with you or keep them motivated. Joining on something else, whatever the group activity might be, as long as you're social distancing. Positive peer pressure can be very effective in a whole bunch of ways. Also, this is the 5th week of the 4th quarter that we are starting, and you might see 5-week grades from some teachers. You might not. They're not going to be posted on School Tool or something. They may come out in a different form. And that different way, again, might not be all the teachers, but just keep an eye out for it as we are getting to that final turn towards home, and we're kind of already there. Happy birthday goes out to Senior Yamilet. Rack's birthdays. Haven't had any in a while. We had Ashanti over the weekend, and we got Yamilet today. Get the week started off right and have a great week 5 of quarter 4, Rax.